NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that can represent anything from art, collectibles, and music to virtual real estate. Energy-efficient NFT protocols focus on reducing the environmental impact of NFT transactions by minimizing energy consumption and carbon emissions. Step 2. Key players and technologies. Some notable energy-efficient NFT protocols include 1. Polygon Matic, a scaling solution for Ethereum-based NFTs that reduces energy consumption by up to 99%. 2. Solana SOL, a fast and energy-efficient blockchain platform that's ideal for NFTs. 3. Flow, a blockchain platform developed by Dapper Labs focusing on NFTs and gaming. 4. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, a decentralized network that uses a unique consensus algorithm known as Hashgraph to reduce energy consumption. Step 3. Benefits of energy-efficient NFTs. 1. Reduced carbon footprint. Lower energy consumption means fewer carbon emissions, contributing to a more sustainable future. 2. Faster transaction times. Energy-efficient protocols enable faster transaction processing, enhancing the overall user experience. 3. Increased adoption. By reducing energy consumption, these protocols can make NFTs more accessible and appealing to a broader audience. Step 4. Potential applications. 1. Gaming. Energy-efficient NFT protocols can enable fast and seamless gameplay experiences, reducing player frustration and increasing engagement. 2. Digital collectibles. These protocols can facilitate the creation of unique digital collectibles, such as art, music, and sports memorabilia. 3. Virtual real estate. Energy-efficient NFTs can enable the creation of virtual real estate markets, allowing for the ownership and trading of virtual properties. Step 5. Future predictions. 1. Mainstream adoption. Energy-efficient NFT protocols will continue to gain traction, driving mainstream adoption of NFTs. 2. New use cases. As these protocols evolve, we'll see new use cases emerge, such as decentralized finance, DeFi applications, and enterprise-level solutions. 3. Increased competition. As the market grows, we'll see increased competition among energy-efficient NFT protocols, driving innovation and improvement. Step 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, energy-efficient NFT protocols are poised to revolutionize the way we create, own, and trade digital assets. By understanding the basics, key players, benefits, and potential applications, you'll be well equipped to navigate the future of this exciting space. As a beginner, stay tuned for updates and follow industry leaders to stay ahead of the curve. Additional resources for those interested in learning more: follow Polygon Matic on Twitter at Polygon, explore Solana's doctrines.solana/. Check out Flow's website flow.com/. Learn more about Hedera Hashgraph's HBAR technology at www.hedera.com. Remember to stay informed and keep an eye on the latest developments in the energy-efficient NFT protocol space.